This Manta Ray submarine is ready to dive deep into the ocean. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you get my newsletter for free. Northrop Grumman developed its first prototype of an extra-large submarine glider designed to carry out long-range undersea missions, and they made it look exactly like a manta ray. While not much has been publicly released about this submarine, we do know that it was designed to carry a variety of payloads for different missions with an emphasis on endurance, and all without human assistance. The Manta Ray will be able to use energy-saving systems, including the ability to anchor itself on the ocean floor and go into hibernation mode. It's got a modular design that allows it to be packed into 5 standard shipping containers. Look for Manta Ray to be a critical component of subsea warfare. Some tightly held secrets are still not yet known. We're looking for them, though. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? All you have to do is open a browser, type in cyberguy.com, and click the little red button.